Welcome to our programming channel. Today in Python, we will see the program to check the character entered by user is vowel or consonant. We take input from user. Please enter a character and store this in variable ch. If ch is equal to a or ch equal to e, ch equal to I, or ch equal to o, or ch equal to u, or ch equal to capital A, or ch equal to capital E, or ch equal to capital I, or ch equal to capital O, or ch equal to capital U. Print the entered character ch is a vowel. Else print the entered character ch is a consonant. Save this and run the program. Please enter character. If we enter a, enter character is vowel, and capital A, the enter character A is vowel, and Z, the enter character Z is consonant. This is one method. Now we will see another method. In this program, and this is comparison operator. This is not equal to operator or assignment operator, and here or is important. In this example, the coding part becomes lengthy. In next example, we avoid some coding part. Instead of writing this ch each time, we write this ch once only. If ch in, now write all the vowels in lowercase and in uppercase. These are the vowels in lower case, and these are the vowels in uppercase. Save this and run. Enter character is vowel. Y. Enter character is consonant. Capital E. The enter character E is vowel. So with this method also we get the correct output of program to check vowel or consonant. Now we have written all the characters in lowercase and in uppercase. In next method we write all the characters in string format. Now these are the separate characters. We make string of these characters. So lowercase characters A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U, and uppercase characters A, E, I, O, U. So lowercase and uppercase characters or lowercase and uppercase vowels we have taken in a string, and save this, run the program. If we give here capital O, then enter character O is vowel. And if we give here B, the enter character B is consonant. If we give the character U, the enter character U is vowel. So with this method also we get the correct output of program to check vowel or consonant. We have taken these vowels in lowercase and we have taken these vowels in uppercase. So instead of writing these vowels twice, we write the vowels one time only. So if we write the characters or vowels in uppercase only, and when we take the user input in this variable, we write the method upper to convert the entered character in uppercase. So with this condition the character will check in uppercase, and also if the character is in lowercase it will convert into uppercase and check with these characters. So if we save this and run the program, if we write the vowel in small letter, here we can see the character is converted into uppercase and the condition checking has done and we get the required output. So if we give here small z, the character is a consonant. If we give capital E, the entire character is vowel. If we give B, the entire character is consonant. And if we give capital B, the output is proper. We have checked the character in uppercase. If we take the character in lowercase, then here the method must be lower. That's all for program to check character vowel. Thanks for watching.